Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one only Great Dane, back with day 182 Star Drop opening. So let's see what we got.
Rare.
50 coin.
Super rare.
Super rare. 100 blink.
Rare.
And a rare. 50 coins. For our daily freebie, we have 10 power points. And the other daily freebie is 60 XP points. Amber de la Vega's in the shop at a discount, and a lot of gems. Again, you could probably get that skin out of Star Drops anyway, but if you want it, it's there. As of today, I currently have 4,232 XPWs and 19,371 power points. The other interesting thing I'll mention is I was playing Duo Showdown today for the Mapmaker, and apparently if super charge rate is increased, then Kit doesn't need any cubes to infinitely spam his super, so that was fun. Anyway guys, let's see how far we can take this.